Unit 9. Machines and Tools. Machines. Machines are electrical things. They help us to do work easily. Number 1 sewing machine. Number 2 washing machine. Number 3 computer. Number 4 bulldozer. Number 5 crane. Number 6 helicopter. Tools. Tools are the machines which help us to do work manually. Number 1 cutter. Number 2 shovel. Number 3 screw. Number 4 spade. Number 5 hammer. Number 6 scissors. Number 7 pliers. Number 8 axe. Number 9 saw. Number 10 wheelbarrow. Number 11 screwdriver. Number 12 knife. Number 13 nail. Number 14 spanner.